This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Oh, hey guys and girls, I'm Bet from I Seek Out the Truth. Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repair. Can you dig it?
Yeah, check that intro out. Can you dig it? Alright, yeah, today I was sporting my new Ray-Ban sunglasses. Yeah, from a special gift from Non-Mechanic 101, Hector and his wonderful daughter Rose, 5 years old. Check his channel out. Alright guys and girls, here we go. We got a 2001 Saturn L300 with a 3.0 engine. Here's the customer's complaint. It won't start. Here's a little more detail of it. This is also very important for all you DIYers out there. The number one thing you can do when working on a car, the number one thing is listen to the customer's complaint. Get as much detail as possible, because having that detail will, it's not might, it will help you out in diagnosing the car. So here's the situation. Customer's driving along, car shut off. She let it sit for a minute, started back up, took off, bam, shut off, will not start back up, had it towed right here. So here we are, gonna check this out. So what we're gonna do, let's get the keys and we're gonna diagnose this together. Now, a car, there could be hundreds of reasons for a car not to start. So by following this video, that's just gonna be one of them. There's a lot of other things, all right? So let's get the keys and check this car out. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got the key. Let's find out what's going on. All right, so far, we're gonna have to jump it. So, we're gonna start the van up, because today we got number 24, we got our van. We're gonna, got the hood open, we're gonna jump it, and we'll be right back. All right guys, we got our jumper cables on it. We're gonna check out what's going on now. Oh my goodness, that did not sound good. You know what? Let me get a, hold on man, let me get a, all right, I got me a rag. I wanna check the oil in here. What the heck am I laughing for, man? Yo, people gotta learn to check their oil, man. Look at this, guys. It's nothing. It's not a drop on the stick. All right. The next thing we're gonna do, let's go over here. Let's walk over this side and check out when the last time they had an oil change for the stuff over there. Okay, looks like you wanna. You go in so you can see the sticker. You can see the sticker? All right. Here's the sticker. You know what? Here, tell you what. Here, let me, cause yeah. Let's go down here.
It was dark in there.
Okay, now this is a weird sticker. It said preventive maintenance reminder. But usually they put the next 3 months or whatever months in advance and the mileage. But this one, Mr. Tire, they put date of service 9/8 of 2017. And what's today's date?
May 23rd, 2018.
2018. And
8 months.
8 months. And when they did it, the car had 131,712 miles. Now the car has...
Oh, wow, that's dark.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, actually, we can see it.
Okay, 132,548. So
That's
wow,
less than 1,000 miles.
less than 1,000 miles. Wow. Let's go back out in the front. So either this thing's got a serious oil leak, or they didn't put enough oil in here. Let me grab the camera for a second. Let's take a look up under the car. Huh. Look at that. I see a fresh stain right there. And one over there. You know what, guys? Let's jack this car up from this side. Tires low. Let's jack this up. Let's get up under there and let's see if we can see where that oil is coming from. We'll be right back. All right, guys. Let's get up under there. Look at that stain. And there it is right there. So let's and let me get a piece of cardboard because I got a brand new blanket here that I'm using to lay down and I don't want to get soaked up in oil. So let's get some cardboard and put up under there first. Bear back. All right, guys, got a cardboard up under there. Let's get up under here and see what we see. Dang it, man. Let me get a... Yeah. The light went out. Let's go up under here, see if we can see anything. It looks like something scraped right here, but it looks like it was leaking right from the drain. Right from the drain plug. There's no other oil. It looks like she scraped to get something too. But that's... Wait a minute. Does that... is there's a rag right on top of the car? Wait a minute. What's this right here? Over here, there's a leak too. But is there a crack in the pan? No, this definitely leaking from the drain plug. And dang it, you know what, let me man, I can't tell if it's leaking from right there. You know what, let me turn the camera down so I can see. I can see right there. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. All right, let's get back up under there. Now, from right here, let's see, there's the oil pressure sender. This ain't gonna stay. It looks dry right there. It looks dry on the bottom of the pan. Alternator's dry. So is that pan got a... Oh man, there it is right there. Right there. Let me see some. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that crack. Right there in the pan. crack right there. Holy cow. Oops, sorry. So the oil pan is cracked, and from the way it looks, you see these scuff marks? That means the customer hit something that was high or stuck on the ground, scraped right up. Yeah, it's scraped. Let me zoom back out here. The scrape is going that way. So she scraped something, cracked the oil pan, all the oil leaked out, and messed up the engine. Wow, that sucks. I'm surprised that this car doesn't have like a metal scuff plate, especially when you got an aluminum oil pan up under here. Oh man, let me wipe that off and make sure I got a good look at that. So there it is right there. Wow, that sucks. Alright, let's get from under here. Gotta break the bad news. We'll be right back.
Okay, so this is the end of this video for this 2001 Saturn L300. And this has a 3.0 engine and it has 132,000 miles, but that don't really matter anymore. So we came to find out what happened, because like customer said, they were riding down the road and it just shut off on them. They had to have the car towed home. So don't expect part 2, because this vehicle, well, we can't possibly recommend for her to have the engine redone on this vehicle. I mean, it just wouldn't be worth it for her. That's the way I feel.
Yeah,
I mean, if she wants it done,
we'll do it.
We'll do it, but we can't recommend that. Anyway, so if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Email Timmy, okay? I don't want to see any emails come to my email.
Maybe I gotta put it at the bottom
Timmy
or something.
at tim@astralautorepairs.com. So I had to do a little tough love there, okay? So I hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. Watch it as many times as you want. That's fine with me. Okay. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.